Fairy Meadows is a special place. It is a green meadow high in the mountains of Pakistan. People call it Fairy Meadows because it looks like something out of a storybook. The meadows are in a region called Gilgit-Baltistan. This area is famous for its incredible mountain view. It's no wonder people think fairies might live in such a beautiful place. Getting to Fairy Meadows is an adventure. First, you travel to a village called Raikot Bridge. You can drive or take a bus to get there. From Raikot Bridge, the real journey begins. You can hire a jeep to take you up the mountain. The road is bumpy and exciting. After the jeep ride, you take a hike. The hike is beautiful with views of the valley below. When you arrive at Fairy Meadows, you will be amazed. Imagine a big green field. Now picture huge mountains all around it. Some of the mountains are covered in snow, even in summer. The air is fresh and clean. The sky is bright blue. You can hear birds singing and the sound of a nearby stream. It's easy to see why people call this place magical. Section 4, Adventures in Fairyland. There are many fun things to do in Fairy Meadows. You can go for a hike in the mountains. The views from the trails are breathtaking. You can also go camping under the stars. Many people love to take pictures in Fairy Meadows. The scenery is so beautiful, it's the perfect place to relax and enjoy nature. Section 5. Planning your fairy tale trip. The best time to visit Fairy Meadows is in the summer. From June to September, the weather is warm and sunny, but remember, it can get cold in the mountains, even in summer. Make sure to bring warm clothes like a jacket and hat. You'll also want comfortable shoes for hiking. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to remember the beauty of Fairy Meadows. Fairy Meadows is a special place. The journey is exciting, the scenery is stunning, and the atmosphere is magical. If you ever have the chance, you should definitely visit.